Alright folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at Rogers Road there in Babson Park, Florida. We're going to be flying the FMS Ranger 1800 millimeter and see what we can do. And just to let you know, last time I had that landing gear where they straightened back a little bit, I decided not to do that. I decided to put them back the way the manual says, which is always a smart thing to do. And that those wheel skirts or pants or whatever's on them, they're going to vibrate no matter what. So, got a truck coming. So, anyways, that's the problem of flying on a public road. That even one that's kind of obscure, sometimes traffic, so you got to have someone watch. But I don't have anybody, so I'm just trying to pay attention to everything I'm doing. All right, let's get her lined up here. All right. Gotta do like what you call a spot landing here. Whoa, not what I wanted to do. All right, let's take her up. Just about make her hover. All right, folks. Oh, those lights. Those lights really show up good, don't they? All right, let's see if we can't get her lined up here for a landing. Using my rudder to correct. Folks, I want to tell you something. This is where time on a simulator helps. Because that's what I do. If I can't fly, then by golly, I break out my Real Flight 8, which is what I have. And I just practice and practice and practice. Well, that's a good looking bird. That really is. Let's give ourselves a pass here. Nice slow pass. Nice slow and low pass there. That way you can see it. Let's see if we can't get a... Alright, let's get her turned around here. Sorry, I got her a little farther away there. A little further away than I wanted. All right, we got 2.5 minutes, so all right. Yeah, my wind is starting to shift, and folks, it's starting to get dark, so really starting to get dark. So let's bring her in. There. Had to get at least one knife edge in. You know I had to. You know I had to. All right. All right, folks, there it is. That is Fat Guy Flies RC. That is the FMS Ranger. Purchased her through Hobby Zone. And great plane. Very easy to control. I'm running a 5000 HRB LiPo in her, 4-cell, and running the AR620 antenna's receiver. So thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I keep bringing you this planes. And here's a teaser. There's a plane out by Arrows RC called the Husky. Guess what? I'm getting that plane. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.